has quite an inspiration, I think, in herself. I was always very intrigued by her story, not only as an artist, but also as a person. She's got a very, exciting and tragic life story, which I felt, always appealed to me.
Frida hija produzzjoni ta' żfin li tfakkar lill-artista ċelebri Frida Kahlo u li tesplora t-tensjonijiet bejn il-fraġilità tal-ġisem tal-artista u l-qawwa karatteristika tagħha.
When originally Teatru Manuel had approached us to put up a performance and we suggested doing the story of Frida, they were very excited. So from there, Dorian, who's obviously the artistic director, said, I think, you would be the perfect person to kind of bring her story to life. Studying her art is kind of, for me, scratching the surface. Her paintings are very well known, but it was more about getting to know who Frida was as a personality, what her triggers were, what made her click, what didn't, what hurt her, what excited her. So it was a long process of finding out as much as we can about her as a person and as an artist. We drew a lot of inspiration from the way she painted. She painted a lot of colors. She even dressed up herself in a very colorful way. She was very much a traditionalist in Mexico, and she wanted to keep the Mexican traditions alive. So she wore the Tijuana costume, and we drew inspiration from the way she painted and the way she dressed up herself with all the colorful flowers. So we took color schemes from the research, and then Ritian designed a costume selection based on that research. Being a full-time company and a private company, Dorian and I obviously have to juggle most of the work ourselves, actually with the help of the dancers. We're very lucky to have a group of dancers who have been with us now for quite a while. So everyone does everything. They are not just dancers, they take care of costumes, they even help out with administration and marketing. So it's really a group, I think we're literally one big family. We share the tasks between us. Even the choreography is created with the dancers. It is a very collaborative process, In fact, we rarely say choreographed by one person. It's very much choreographed in collaboration with, because things are task-based, so a lot of the movement vocabulary actually comes from the dancers, with inspiration, and then it's more about structuring and molding what the dancers are offering, rather than the other way around. The performance will be held on the 9th and the 10th of June at Piazza Teatro Real, and because it's summer, we have to start the performance at 9 p.m.